Hey guys, this is me here. This evening I'm gonna show you guys my red helicopter. I'm gonna show you guys. So, how to fly it. So, now time to describe it. So, these are the blades right here. These are the pellet blades, little pellet blades. And this is the whole model of the helicopter, the red model of it. So, this is the tail of it, and this is the legs. So, let's get started. So, we're gonna land it slow, and this is all charged. That's the model of it. Look, it goes fast, right? Go up one more. Alright, so now it's time to land. How to land? I'll land it slow. Good job, Brandon. Good job. Okay, so bye guys. Thanks for watching.